The first problem with the healthcare system is that we're focused on disease care. There is no wellness care. If you don't have a disease, then it gets very difficult to bill insurance companies. You almost can't participate in the system. But the question is, I see people who are sick all the time. They have fatigue. They don't feel well. They don't have the energy at the end of the day to play with their kids or their grandkids. They hurt all over. They can't be active. They're not enjoying life. But yet if we run lab tests, everything's normal. There's no disease taking place. But clearly they're not well. And so one of my greatest frustrations is this idea that we have a disease-based model rather than actually helping people figure out what health is, find that health, and then how to harness and magnify that health so they can live healthy, productive lives. The second thing is how we are focused on either medicine or surgery. If there's a problem, we either want to cut it out or we want to give a pill to treat it. The challenge there is that most of our research that is being done is actually being funded by pharmaceutical companies who obviously can be life-saving products. Don't misunderstand, life-saving products. And we need that research, but their research is focused on the products that they sell. Another major group that contributes to the medical research is medical device manufacturers. The people who make the shoulder replacements, the knee replacements, the material that's used to do an arthroscopic surgery, they fund research. So again, that's quite biased. The sad thing is that there's less research being done about natural remedies because there's nothing that you can patent, there's nothing that you can make money on. But we know that there is research available about the power of diet, about the power of natural treatments for most diseases that we suffer from, for the most common diseases that we suffer from in the United States. And so what I encourage you to do to help navigate through these two major problems in our healthcare system is to find a physician. Find a physician who has the full scope of license to practice medicine, but who also has a good understanding of natural remedies. That way you and your physician can sit down together, talk about what's going on, how you can achieve maximal health, when it's time for surgery, when it's time for a medicine, or when you're able to actually work on your lifestyle, work on giving your body the tools that it needs to be healthy. Remember, we weren't made to be sick. We were made to be functional human beings for all of our life. If we take care of our body, it will take care of us and will serve us for decades.